Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. Hope you're doing good. I want to show you this pre-sale. I shared it to you 2 weeks ago, something like that. Here we go again, Memebet, and I'm bringing this to your attention because if memes do well in the next coming months, so will these pre-sales. And I've seen many pre-sales in the past, people get in early and then, it launches, it does like 10, 20x and you make nice gains. So it's possible you could do, the kind of gains like that with something like this. But again, this is not financial advice, extremely high risk. What you're looking at could fall to zero because, it's a meme, it's pre-sale, high risk, put what you can afford to lose kind of thing. Get my words out. Look, they say here, if you're in the UK, plain and simple, you cannot use this or they don't recommend you come over here and get involved in the pre-sale if you're in the UK. If you're outside of the UK, you can. You can. I'm keeping it in, I don't care. Yuan. Is your name Anne? Yuan. Or you Joanne? Anyway, so let's take a look at Meme. Memebet is basically bringing a casino type platform for people to come along and play, use their favorite memes. Just come over there, sit down, play with your whatever game it is. It's essentially it's play to earn. And then, yeah. Now, I know that these types of projects in the crypto space will do really, really well. And we've already seen it happen with, let me just grab it up. Let me open up a private window. Rollbit, because Rollbit's been one of the most top performing kind of casino type platform in the crypto space. So let's just take a look at the tokenomics of Rollbit, help you understand where this kind of platform could go. 207 million market cap, so there's $200 million in this right now. That's fully diluted as well, right? So just trying to show you there is money and attraction for something like this. And that could see future listings as well in the future. Let's have a look at this one now because... Wait, hold on, let me find it. You have the chance to get in early on this. Like, you are still very, very early. Right now, they've only raised $349,000. In my last video, it was only about 200,000. So it's still really cheap, really early right now to get in. Right now, one of these tokens is 0.02 cents, 2.5 cents. How many tokens are there in supply? It must be a small supply. Does it say? I don't know. No, sometimes like the price usually reflects the tokens that they have. Does it say how many tokens in total? I'm just scrolling, I don't know. We'll come back to it in a second. But I'll refresh people's mind. For those that are new, you may not have seen it. They got a white paper here. They got an audit. These guys have done some form of a partnership with Argentina's team, which is cool. You don't get that often with these types of pre-sales. Already done a nice looking partnership like that with a football team. That's a big look. Memebet token, the casino for meme DJs. By the way, if you do want to grab some, it's entirely up to you. You decide what risk you want to take. The link will be in the info section. Click it. Takes you straight to this page. Words. You can either buy ETH, USDT. You can switch the chain and buy it on BNB, on Matic. Some multiple chains for you to choose how you want to buy it. I like the look of that. Bonk your head. Dog should have been called Bonk. Why don't you put Bonk there and then Bonk is bonking him at the back as Bonk? Anyway, so it's very self-explanatory. You're going to see some fun games over here, I assume. All the standard games that we see when you play these kind of casino things, games. They've got an airdrop coming as well. So you can play to airdrop. That's kind of like a catchy thing, isn't it? Like I see a lot of projects doing that. Does it say it down here? Earn massive Memebet airdrops. Memebet airdrops will be rewarded to most DJ and gamblers. We've set aside 400 million tokens for bonus airdrops to holders who use Memebet to wager in the meme casino. Both on the web and Telegram. So you can actually play it on Telegram as well. Do you see what I'm saying to you? Pay attention to the gaming space or gaming projects that will deal with Telegram. Because there's something happening over with Telegram. This is just such a good little thing here, man. The whole Argentina thing. Does it say it anywhere? Memebet Casino is a specialized product aimed at a fast-growing, is it horde of left-curving meme coin traders. Okay, I might have said it wrong. Those who either go big or go home. Who ate first and ask questions later. Done that a few times. You just see people talking about a coin, you just quickly buy it, and then you go to look online and see what it's about, and then you realize it's a flipping honeypot. Can't get your money out. No, this looks like it could be genuine, which I'm sharing it. I think this should be fine, and obviously once it gets launched and stuff, you should be able to claim your tokens and everything else. So I just wanted to share this quick update with you, show you how it's looking so far. Same stuff what I said before. They got a nice little roadmap here and things that they plan to do. At stage 2, they're going to have the web casino, sports books, which is cool because if you can have some fun on the sports stuff, people love that. Project announcement, loot box, because they had the loot box. What was this loot box? Can't remember that. Remember that I was saying that to you before? They had like a loot box. I don't know. It was something here. I can't know. Play to airdrop. I've explained that. Look, no KYC Telegram Casino. Because a lot of the times when you get on these sort of platforms, you need to do all this KYC nonsense. You won't have to with this. So, look, but it boasts 1,000 of crypto native games. There's going to be a lot of games over there you can play, have some fun. Is that right? Memebet Casino boasts thousands of crypto native games. So when it launches, come and have a look. I'll probably just I don't know. You got to be careful with casino projects because this is a pre-sale. It's fine, and I can share this. But when you start uploading videos of you flipping and trying to make some money on a flipping, I don't know, table, YouTube don't like it. Especially for YouTube crypto YouTubers. So I just have to be careful with what I share and what I say over here. They got a competition if you want to get involved. You just simply come over here, answer some of the questions. Oh, it's just sorry, we're creating too many entries. Try again later. I wasn't even trying. Maybe too many people are trying to get involved. So if that does work for you, go check it out. Cool. What's when I click this? What does that do? Oh, that just talks about the games and stuff. It says how to play. If I click that, how to play. So it shows the tokens down there that you'll be able to use. That you can use the MB token, which is theirs. Doge, Peppy, Shiba Inu, Bonk, Flocky, all the popular memes. I'm assuming more will come, like the dog with hat. I can't think of them all. Pay. Maybe these will come as well. And you can go over there, just use it's good because it's showing great use case for meme coins. Just because right now it's just a picture. So when you start being able to, because you can't walk into, is it Grosvenor? I call it Grosvenor. I've got to put the S because the S in is Grosvenor. People call it Grosvenor. When you walk in there, you have to cash you proper cash or your card, and then they give you the chips. You can't use crypto in these places. So this is why these online ones could just be good. Like you go over there, you invest in a meme, the meme pumps, you make turn $100 to 20 grand, and you just throw a bit of whatever you can afford to lose over on these little, anyway, you know what it is. Memebet partners with Argentina. Mad. How did they do that? I said it before, it's just blown, it's very mind blowing. Is this confirmed? Can you click on the Argentina national team and see it? I'm going to have to look into that one more. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here. I wanted to share this to you, show the opportunity. In 17 hours time, it's going to go up in price. So if you want to grab some, again, the link will be in the info section. This was not financial advice. I'm just trying to show you opportunities that I see, and then you can decide what you want to do. No one's forcing you to do anything. You decide what you want to do. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Become a Patreon. The link is in the info section. It's a fresh month. Now's the best time to get in. You got a chance to mingle with some millionaires, some smart investors in the VIP group. I haven't got it up. I'll get it up on my next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.